Hi there, this is Trisha, and this is the quick 6-minute version of the big cut. I've sped this up obviously very, very fast. Just explaining here about putting in ponytails if you're going to donate your hair, because that was my plan. And so you actually have to put it into ponytails and prepare it the right way, and not just do the big dramatic, I'm taking a set of clippers and just buzzing it. So I've got 8 ponytails on there, and showing off my hair one more time, and then trying to figure out how to start cutting it because I had so much hair. So I wanted to start in the back. So that's one of the back ones. And there we go. 1 down, 7 to go. So 2, yep. Now I was very fortunate to be able to have a large enough bathroom where I could set up cameras and light rings and an extra mirror, which came in extremely helpful. There we go. All done. All done. Looking at my hair. And it is now in a box getting ready to be mailed to New York. And here we go. We'll start doing the actual clipping now. I started with, and this is me deciding, yeah, there's my mohawk, isn't that cute? This is me deciding that I'm going to get a trash can. Like, that was really going to help. No, not really. All right. I started with a 6 guard, which, if I remember correctly, was 3/4 of an inch. And that didn't do all that much. It did some, yes, but I had a lot of it was already cut shorter than that. So all right, so the next I'm going to a 4. If I remember correctly, I was going to, going to a 4. And that did a lot more. One of the things I'm not thrilled at was that I wasn't in frame some of the time. But then as it goes on, I did a lot of it from the back, from this particular angle, which is really good for you guys to be able to see it. And this is when I learned I have a humongous bald spot. That I knew I had a small one when I would put my hair in a barrette behind my head, but this is when I really realized I had a huge bald spot. Anyway, or the way it grows. This is a 2. Now I'm using a number 2 guard. Using a number 2 guard. And that's not too bad looking, even by itself. Though it really does show the bald spot, which is weird. But I'll have to remember that. That wasn't bad. And then I think this is a 1.5. And each one of these, I think, is just like about a 1/16 of an inch difference between the next few of them. So that was like a 1.5. And that's not bad either. And let's see. So I went ahead and did the 1. This is a 1 guard. And I'm also trying to figure out what this is on the side of my right side of my head that almost looks like a, I don't know if it's a, it looks like a bruise or something, but I have no idea what it is. It's that red spot above my ear, which is very interesting. So I have no idea what that is. And I was getting hair all over me. So now we decide, or I decided, just to go ahead and do the lowest thing that it came with, which is a half guard. A half guard is 1.5 millimeters or 1/16 of an inch. Well, anyway, there you go. The new me. I hope you enjoyed.